Alright, so we're going to talk about time signatures. Now, the most important thing to know about time signatures is that they consist of two numbers and can be kind of looked at as a fraction. So the top number is going to determine how many beats you're going to have in one measure, and the bottom determines which note gets one beat. So I find it easiest to look at this if we take a look at 4/4. The top tells us that we're going to have 4 beats in each measure, and since it's fourths, or 4/4, I associate that with quarter notes. So we're going to have 4 quarter notes in every measure. Now if we look at other versions of the fourth, we have 3/4. 3 tells us we're going to have 3 beats, and 4 tells us that if it's 3/4, we're going to have 3 quarter notes. Same with 5/4, or 5/4, you're going to have 5 quarter notes. Now if you go over to eighths, the eighth note is right here. Usually it counts as half of a quarter note, but in a time signature like 3/8, we're going to have 3 eighth notes in one measure. Also with 12/8, we're going to have 12 eighth notes in one measure. We can also look at things like halves. So if we take a half and we know that a half note is the same as 2 quarter notes, in this case 4/2, 4 halves, we're going to have 4 half notes in one measure.